look what I got in here. And it's double boxed. So we'll see if we can get this opened here. Well, first of all, I'm very impressed how it's packed. It's got a dual box and it's really wrapped up really nice. So let's get this thing out of here and see what it looks like. And the easiest way to get it out of the box is to cut the front out and then just wheel it out. So that's the easiest way. Then you don't have to pick it up. It's the easiest way to get it out of the box. If you have a bad back like I do, you don't want to be lifting stuff any more than you have to. As you can see, they got it very well packed. I've received e-bikes that weren't packed this well. There's the seat. That's really nice. All right, here's the accessories. Got a handful of tools here to put it together with. So it's good. And we got the battery charger and the instruction manual. Four bolts in here. It's got a little Loctite on there to keep it from coming back out. Well, I am gonna go try this out. I put this back in here because I have an indoor grow room and I'm always bringing up tomatoes and stuff in these peanut butter jars. And trying to ride my e-bike holding onto a jar like that is kind of hard sometimes, and this is gonna be nice. Let's go test it out. Well, this will be my first ride here. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet. Since I hurt my back, sometimes it's hard to get over my leg over on my bike, and this will be able to just hop right on this and run right down to the shop. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more testing here, but let's see how it goes. All right, my first impressions, it has mechanical brakes, and they seem to be adequate for what it is, because you don't expect to have hydraulic brakes on something like this. Had no problem stopping. It's got a low, medium, and high on the speeds. And it's got a headlight. You can see it there. Got the headlight, and that's got high, medium. Okay, there's low, medium, and high. Low is kind of a really slow walking speed, so someone can walk right next to you. It barely moves. Let me try this out here. That's the low. And here's the high. Yeah. So that works nice. Now I'm gonna go ride it around a little bit and see what my thoughts are. And that's the Hovsco scooter. This thing is going to be a lot of fun. Love that basket. It's going to be really handy to run back and forth from the house to the shop. And I like this little basket on the back so I can just throw my stuff in there and not have to worry enough to try to ride one-handed like I have been with my e-bike. So yeah, so this is really nice. If you'd like to get one, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out and see what you think. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.